Welcome friend. This previous seminar is presented by Harshidi Pranjitumade, class BSc second year, semester 3rd, batch B3, subject chemistry, college Shri RLT College of Science Akola, and the seminar topic is electrochemistry. In the previous seminar, we are talking about the introduction of electrochemistry, conductance of electrolyte solution, determination of cell constant, determination of conductance of electrolytic solution. First of all, we are talking about the introduction of electrochemistry. Electrochemistry is a study of a chemical processes that cause electrons to move. This movement of electron is called electricity, which can be generated by movement of electrons from one element to another in the reaction known as oxidation reaction and reduction reaction. It is commonly known as a redox reaction. Conductance or conductivity. The capacity of a conductor to carry the electric current is known as conductance. It is denoted by capital G. G is equals to 1 upon R expressed in unit ohm inverse or ohm. SI unit is Siemens. Next is resistance. Resistance of any uniform conductor is directly proportional to the length and inversely proportional to the area of cross section. So R is directly proportional to the L and inversely proportional to the A. Therefore, R is equals to rho into L upon A. Specific resistance and resistivity. Resistivity of a conductor is defined as the resistance of a conductor of unit length and unit cross section area. Therefore, rho is equals to R into A upon L. The unit of resistivity is ohm meter. Next is specific conductance. The conductance of 1 centimeter cube or 1 cubic meter solution of an electrolyte is known as specific conductance. It is denoted by K. Therefore, K is equals to 1 upon rho. We know the value of rho, so we put the value in this equation. So we get K is equals to 1 upon R into L upon A. We know 1 upon R is equals to capital G. So we put the values and we take K is equals to G into L upon A. The unit of specific conductance is Siemens meter inverse. The next is equivalent conductance. The conductance of 1 gram equivalent of an electrolyte in a given solution is known as equivalent conductance and it is denoted by lambda. Therefore, lambda is equals to K into V. In general, if an electrolyte solution contains n gram equivalent in 1000 centimeter cube of solution, then lambda is equals to K into 1000 upon n. The SI unit of equivalent conductance is Siemens centimeter square equivalent inverse. The next is molar conductance. The conductance of 1 mole of electrolyte in a given solution is known as molar conductance and it is denoted by lambda m. Therefore, lambda m is equals to K into V. In general, if an electrolyte solution contains m mole in 1000 centimeter cube of solution, then lambda m is equals to K into 1000 upon m. The SI unit of molar conductance is Siemens centimeter square molar inverse. It is more than similar than equivalent conductance. The next is cell constant. It is defined as the ratio of the distance between the electrode and the area of cross section of the electrodes. It is denoted by the theta. Cell constant equals to theta and theta is also equals to length upon area. Indirect method. K is equals to G into theta. Therefore, theta is equals to K upon G. The last concept, determination of conductance of electrolytic solution. The Wheatstone bridge method can be used for measurement of conductance of electrolytic solution. Direct current cannot be used in this process as this will give wrong result. due to change in concentration due to the electrolysis, and change in resistance due to the polarization at electrodes. The solution, whose conductivity is to be determined, is taken in a suitable conductivity cell. When current is flowing, known resistance R is introduced through resistance box. The sliding contact H is given move along a wire AB of uniform thickness until a point of minimum sound is detected in a headphone G. At this stage, resistance of a solution upon resistance from resistance box is equal to length of BH upon length of AH. As all values from above equation are known, resistance of solution can be determined. From resistance, conductance on solution can be reference. We are refer all below books for this seminar and Wikipedias also. Thank you for watching.